maybe self-conscious. People would look at me. I'm like, oh, Lord.
Yeah. I would definitely be looking. I'm like, look here.
Yeah, I would be looking. I ain't even gonna lie. I'd be
like,
looking.
damn, his phone locks is starting to look like real locks.
This is just an introduction before we blow your mind.
Or what, you know?
I honestly
like,
said, baby, look, they rapped and tried to combine his locks.
Yeah.
That's what we typically see with people.
Yeah.
Got a little undercut.
And then I was trying to see.
So what about the here in the back? You want it? You want it? Okay.
Mm-hmm. And I was trying to see if this was long enough.
No, sorry.
They ain't gonna cut it.
I was trying.
Put a thing there.
The way
This is crazy.
Yeah, we gotta try to free your roots. Okay, this is gonna be probably a little bit more of a project at the roots than I thought, but that's all right.
Okay.
Just hang in there.
Okay.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cynsationallocs, and I am back with a full-on transformation. When I said this was gonna be a process, I meant it. Listen to his experience and let this be a lesson to any of y'all wanting to wrap weave around your locks and calling it a combination.
There they are.
See,
Yeah.
I wish, and it is, you know, we here now, so here we are. But I could have freed your locks, because I am right now, just for the purposes of my video, I'm cutting the surrounding part out, and you know, nothing has happened. She didn't put the crochet through it.
She did on some parts, but not like heavily. So it's probably like towards the roots. I mean, not the roots, but the end of the shaft is where she got it. That would have. What?
And then, have you wet it recently?
Oh yeah, yesterday we was in the pool, so I washed my hair.
Cut the fuck out of it.
Let's say because it's really moist on the inside, so it probably holds on to a bunch of water.
Yeah, I mean that was literally yesterday night. I washed the hair and everything.
Now you know it's not good to lay on wet hair.
Really?
Think about like a damp towel laying on the ground, getting moldy and stinky, mildewy. Same thing with your hair.
Yeah, I've been having some real dry issues with my hair. I've been having all types of issues.
Yeah, but y'all get the picture, right?
I already know.
We here now, you know.
I already accepted that I was gonna get them cut off and everything. That's literally like, because we was talking to this other lady, and I was trying to see if we could combine them, but then she was like, because my lock were interlocked that for the majority of this time.
Oh shit, it was interlocked? Oh well, yeah, she right. She showed shit right.
Yeah. So that she was like, the best bet was to buy hair and wrap it around it.
Not this hair.
Yeah, that was the mistake. Cause I thought we was buying the right hair, cause it said kinky. But
Nah, you gotta buy.
Which is a different texture and acts different, just like your hair.
It actually it's real
It's
hair.
real hair.
So
yeah.
it ain't acting no way. It's doing what it does.
Yeah, when I saw how it looked after, I'm like, that looked fake. Yeah. Hard, and this is like
natural.
Yeah.
A little bit will stick through your first wash or so, but
right. After time they'll loosen up and come together. Yeah. I'm excited. I am excited. I wanted them thicker for a long time actually. I just didn't know how to go about it.
yeah, you started your locks in that age where everybody was just like grabbing
twist.
the comb coil twist real fast.
Yeah. My barber started. It'll be 7 years in September. So it was my senior year when he started my hair. And, he maintained it up until for Georgia, and after that I started getting the interlock. But yeah, it was a few things I wanted to start over with my hair, but I already had the strength in me to start over. Like, how do you feel about interlock?
I think no, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say that the more you know about something, and if that's gonna be your plan forever, it'll be fine. If you're gonna always interlock.
Okay.
But if you plan to switch to a different method, you should never touch interlocking ever, because it really compresses the hair.
Right. Yeah. She didn't like how her was too, because she noticed a difference from her being interlock. She only got interlock one time.
and I'm gonna do a video.
And it fucks up that combination. So we try to go in those knots. I can't distress those knots to actually make your hair loose again.
In case you missed it, this client's been growing his locks for 7 years. He always wanted thicker locks, but he didn't know how to get there. And this is why I encourage anybody wanting to start their lock journey to put some thought into that end goal. You know, you want to really research. I don't shame anybody for what they don't know, but I beg y'all, do your research and use logic, okay? Anywho, his locks were wrapped in this synthetic blend. Some hair that you can get from the beauty supply store. Please stop doing that, guys. I have a whole video on the Vivica A. Fox brand that people are using. Just don't do it, okay? It's not 100% human hair, and that is what you're gonna need for a process like this. The hair was shiny, it was so very heavy, and it looked like, you know, the faux lock style. Not a good look. So we had to cut his locks. His actual natural grown locks were wrapped underneath this. So we had to cut all of his locks. We had to leave a few inches for the lock attachment, which meant the Chevro had to come through and distress. So as you can see, once he was able to distress the remaining locks, so I had enough room for attachment, we went in with those Cynsational Lock extensions, handcrafted by yours truly. We did have those completed a month prior to this process. Of course, we had a consultation. If you guys are interested in any of these services, make sure you visit Cynsationallocs.com where you can book and shop. And look at this, right? You can't even tell that he has extensions. They look so real, it's organic, and most of all, it's lightweight, and these are quality. Don't let anybody convince you that wrap and weave around your locks is going to force them to combine. The only combining that's going to take place is at your roots. And you can do that yourself. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Or if you do, come see me and I'll fix it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, y'all, we are at 10K. Sensation Nation growing heavy. I rock with y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Again, see y'all in the next video.